Reading and understanding scientific papers is one of the skills that graduate students develop throughout their academic journey. There are two main types of academic publications. The first one being the conference paper, with about 3 to 6 pages long, and the journal article, with about 6 to 20 plus pages. They share a common structure, including a title, abstract, introduction, multiple sections on the methods, results, discussion, conclusion, and references. When reading these manuscripts, it is a good idea to start by reading the title and abstract and jump to the results and conclusion. If this work is interesting to you, you can continue by reading the introduction to get some background information, the methods to understand what they are proposing in this work, and then dive down into the theory, design, simulations, results, and so on. Reading the structure of the paper is also a good idea to understand how it is arranged by reading the headers and tables and looking at the pictures and diagrams included. With some practice, this is a skill that anyone can develop, and it will become easier and less daunting over time.